In this video, I'll show you how to use WeChat through a VPN. If you're unable to use WeChat outside China, this method will let you access it safely while keeping your connection private and secure. The best VPN for this is NordVPN, and you can use the link in the description to try it at a great price. NordVPN is fast, reliable, and has thousands of servers worldwide, so you can always find a connection that works perfectly for your needs, no matter where you are. First, download the NordVPN app from the Google Play Store or App Store, depending on your device. Once the download is complete, open the app and log in to your NordVPN account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one within the app. It only takes a few steps. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with an interactive map and a list of countries. Here, you can either use the Quick Connect button to automatically connect to the fastest server available, or manually select a server in a country where WeChat works without restrictions, such as the United States or Singapore. Tap Connect, and within seconds, your IP address will appear as if you're browsing from that country. NordVPN is designed to make the connection seamless and secure. It uses the NordLynx protocol, which ensures maximum speed and minimal latency, perfect for messaging, video calls, and sending media over WeChat. The app also comes with a kill switch feature, which immediately blocks your internet if the VPN connection drops, keeping your data safe at all times. Threat protection is another useful feature that blocks ads, trackers, and malicious websites before they even load, giving you a smooth and secure browsing experience. You can also access specialized servers, like obfuscated servers, which are perfect for bypassing restrictions in heavily censored regions, or double VPN servers if you want extra layers of privacy. Once your VPN connection is active, open the App Store or Google Play Store. Refresh the page if needed, and you should now be able to download, install, or update WeChat without any restrictions. With NordVPN running, you will be able to access WeChat in any region. This method works for both Android and iOS devices, and it's the safest and most reliable way to access WeChat from anywhere in the world. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and start using WeChat safely, securely, and without any restrictions.